You must check the goods after you receive them.
Carefully check whether it is intact before signing.
Warning: the arm rod must be installed first, then powered on and debugged.
Please carefully read the small label attached to the barrier gate before installing it.
The following tools are required for installing barrier gates on site.
Percussive drilling tool and 14 drill bit.
1 adjustable open end wrench.
1 from 17 to 19 open end wrench.
A set of Allen wrenches.
A hammer.
1 flat head end. 1 Phillips screwdriver.
A wire clamp.
A knife.
Oil-based marker.
A measuring tape.
The standard parts includes
2 pressed batten.
2 screws used for fixing the arm rod.
A splint used to fix the arm rod in place.
4 expansion screws or called concrete anchor used to fix the cabinet.
2 various remote controls.
Start installing. Please put the barrier gate in the installation position.
Then place the pressed batten under the inside of the cabinet.
Then use a marker to draw the fixed points.
Drill the 4 expansion screw holes vertically with a percussive drilling tool.
Hammer the 4 set screws in place.
Please note, the expansion screws cannot be fully hammered down and should be kept 5 cm from the ground.
Remove the expansion nut.
Return the barrier gate to its installation position.
Then put the pressing button in the cabinet fixing point.
The arm rod can be installed after the expansion nut is tightened.
First put the splint on the arm rod and put the screws in.
Erect the arm rod vertically and install it after the rod aligns with the screw holes.
Finally, please lock the nut.
Now, power it on. We can use it.